14th, we will be launching Lavender Haze by Feather and Noise, a beautiful collection to celebrate all things love on a beautiful day. We're really excited to bring you this capsule, so hang about. I can't wait to run you through it now. Lavender Haze has been in the works for quite some time for Feather and Noise. You will see the introduction of the very first little taste of autumn winter knitwear that we are so excited about. There's a hero print which I'm wearing right now that plays on our love of paisleys and florals in this beautiful undertone of gorgeous bottle green. You've got lavenders and blues running through it, crochet, and of course a little pop of cobalt blue. We're kicking off Lavender Haze today with this hero statement dress. It is a shape you know and love. It is our Margot dress. It has that beautiful hidden elastic which you absolutely love. That beautiful fold which is so flattering on the body. You can see it's hitting at just a gorgeous little midi length, and it is superb, taking you through into autumn and winter, particularly with some new ankle boots coming soon. Did you think that Lavender Haze would be complete without a new splash of crochet? This is perfection. I'm so excited to bring you the long sleeve version of our famous sunny crochet. The weave is slightly different, but the colour is exactly the same. The tortoiseshell buttons, the collar. I am loving styling this just as a top, but you could absolutely wear it open as a cardi. Team it back with your favourite vintage inspired Goldie jeans. I am loving this look. You will notice that Lavender Haze will play on our love of lightweight knits such as this beautiful little Charlotte top. It is so feminine and it's so pretty. That cute little sleeve detail, incredibly soft. The V-neck is perfect, and there is the cutest little waistband, which means if you want to give it that gorgeous little tuck to style it with these ultimate wide leg carissa culottes, this look will catch me in quite a bit. Our famous carissa culottes, you know and love them. Side pockets, elastication at the back, that beautiful flat front waistband. They hit at a great length, and trust me, you'll have people saying, is that a skirt or a pair of pants? They are pants, they are absolutely beautiful, very, very versatile, and they teamed up with this divine Lavender Haze collection just perfectly. Now I promised you all a little taste of autumn winter in this beautiful new collection, and here it is. It is our famous joy knit that you guys have loved season after season. She's been reworked a little bit, pockets added, new name, and say hello to this gorgeous cobalt blue. How incredible is this colour pop? Look at the size of that collar. Loving it teamed back with shorts. How fun is this? Bring on those autumn winter vibes with knitwear at Feather and Noise. Exactly on February the 14th, 12 months ago, we launched our first ever Georgina skirt. So 12 months on, we have introduced an array of colours, but hello to the beautiful new bubblegum. Yes, there's a matching top, but the skirt is absolutely divine with all the same amazing features, high waist, elasticated, that beautiful pleating detail. You all know how much we love all the colours, but this bubblegum, it's stolen my heart. Yes, I could have kicked off wearing this as a set with the matching top, but I wanted to introduce you to this beautiful Josie knit. It's our first apple green knit for the season. Look at that ribbing detail running down the arm. The attention to detail is absolutely beautiful, and it's that trans-seasonal weight that F&N is really known for. Gorgeous length in it, you can give it that cute little fold, but isn't it just the most beautiful shade of apple green? Have a little bit of fun and team it with the bubble pink. You are going to get stopped in the street when you wear this look. And as easy as that, I have swapped out the jumper for the beautiful linen top. It is such a cute little top. You know the shape well. It's got the collar details, the buttons, and it means that now you officially have a full matching set. This outfit could easily be worn in so many different ways. The versatility of sets really do speak for themselves. Mix and match until your heart's content. different coloured yarns combined together, giving it that stripe and that textured detail. We've taken our love of our Haze to bring you this beautiful new yarn in the perfect shade of lavender, just in time for the launch of Lavender Haze. So there it is, one skirt, 3 different top options in one easy capsule to shop. You can really see the versatility of this beautiful Georgina skirt. The hardest part will be trying to decide which top to pair it with first. Lavender Haze has been based around all the beautiful shades of lavender, including this amazing lily dress. It's a shape you know and love. You guys have sold us out of black and cream and pink over the last 12 months, and here is the beautiful lavender. We are really proud to bring you this jacquard knit in an oversized checkerboard. How fun is this? Playing on all things neutral and our love of checks. This is designed to perfection. Those beautiful tortoiseshell buttons. Give it a cute little fold, layer it how you like. The length is absolutely divine. I think it's going to be a firm favourite here at F&N. Now, if you've been eyeing off the footwear, then a couple of them are teasers, but these particular slides in 2 colours will be available online to shop. They are part of the collection and will carry you through into autumn with the beautiful fresh new tones, and don't they look super cute back with this party? You spied the beautiful cobalt blue coming through in that gorgeous cozy knit, and here it is in our famous linen dress. That cute little collar detail, the black in this dress has been incredibly popular this month, and here it is in Lavender Haze collection, but in beautiful cobalt blue. As we complete the Lavender Haze video today, I wanted to bring it home strong with the one lavender knit that I have fallen absolutely in love with. You spied the apple green colour. It has the exact same features and details, and it is in one of my all-time favourite shades of lavender. Lavender Haze is launching on the 14th of February in time for Valentine's Day. I hope you love it as much as we have loved pouring our hearts and souls into it. The dedication behind this really has been a lot of work, but we got there in the end, and it is ready to launch on Valentine's Day. So however it is that you'll be spending Valentine's Day, whether you do or don't celebrate it, these pieces and this collection really has been put together with the thought in mind that you will wear it right throughout the year. Style it casually, dress it up, wear it to events, wear it for work. There is pieces in this that really are timeless and will carry on through season after season. I hope you love it. Take care everyone, and thanks for watching.